This is a second match of YWF Downpour, and we're going to have another debuter named Bonebreaker versus Believin' Stevens. Alright, well, here comes Believin' Stevens. Here he comes! Oh! Believin' Stevens! He'll be wrestling at Domination for the World Championship! And he'll be going against the debuter, Bonebreaker. Alright, here we go! Alright, Believin' Stevens, you'll have your competitor in a second. Alright, we're going to meet the debuter, Bonebreaker. Alright, get his music on. And here he comes! Bonebreaker. Oh yeah, Bonebreaker. I like this guy. Wow, shit. Here he is, Bonebreaker. Cocky man. Alright, well, hope we have a good match. Now, let's wait for the referee to come out. Alright. Let's get a referee out here. Alright. The ref's getting in the ring. And, let's get this underway. Let me get the bell ringing. It's a bell. This is the bell, okay? When I drop this. Ready? Alright, let's get this match underway!
Go.
Alright, here they go! Whoa! Bonebreaker coming off strong. Oh my god!
Hey, easy. Oh!
Oh! Oh my god! Hopefully Stevens will be able to make it to Domination after this. Oh my god! Oh my god! What is he? Oh my god! I guess Domination's gonna be Bonebreaker. Oh my! Hopefully
right.
Stevens can make it to Dominate. Oh.
You alright?
I'm not feeling good for Stevens in this battle. Oh my god. Alright, I'm moving around. Alright. See if Stevens is alright in this. Oh my god! Head almost hitting the springs. That's happened to me before, and it doesn't feel good. 3 minutes and 7 seconds into the match. Oh my god! Coughing up blood almost.
You okay?
Alright, the ref's checking on Believin' Stevens, see if he's okay. Oh! He's hitting him! Oh my! Coming back with a fight is Stevens.
Okay, right?
Oh! Stevens is getting some hits on him. Oh! Bonebreaker not so powerhouse after Stevens gets a hand. Oh, what a punch to the face. That was a flying punch. Higher angles. I won't be videotaping the next match because I'm going to be in the match. Oh! Oh my god. I think this is just, you know, brawl. Oh my god. Bonebreaker was in martial arts, boxing, and kickboxing, you know what I'm saying? Oh!
You alright?
What a good fight this is. 4:22. Oh!
You okay? Are you okay?
V-Steph. Hopefully V-Steph's okay.
1, 2.
Oh, he kicks out at 2.
Kicks out. 2.
Stevens gets up. And 4:43. Oh my god! 1-2 punches him right in the face.
You alright?
There he is. Oh my god! Comes up, elbows him, actually shoulders him in the face. As you see, Bonebreaker was just holding his face. Oh my God!
Are you alright? Can you still wrestle?
Yeah.
Oh! I got that right on target. Oh! Kicks out! That is the second pin of this match. They both got a pin on each other, but unfortunately... Oh! That was a hard punch. I'm not feeling good for Steph.
Oh, man. Oh!
Oh!
You alright? Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah, that's Bonebreaker right there.
Enough. Enough.
Oh! He's taking him down with his power. Oh! Oh!
Oh.
I think Bonebreaker likes fist fights more than he likes wrestling. Here we go.
Go.
Oh! Clothesline! What a clothesline! What a freaking clothesline!
Oh. Are you alright?
General Manager J. Muscle watching. Oh! There's your general manager.
You alright? Alright.
Just checking on him. The ref is checking on him. He's letting him up.
Go ahead.
Now they're back into the action. Here we go.